Morning, my dear students. Hydroxy compounds, alcohols. Evaluate yourself 9. Give the IUPAC name for the following ethers and classify them as simple or mixed. The first compound given is CH3CH2O, CH2, 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 CH3. When we give numbering, we have to add the oxygen atom to the alkyl group which containing lesser number of carbon atom. Here 4 carbon, here 2 carbon atom. Therefore, oxygen is added to 2 carbon atom. When we give number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the parent chain containing 4 carbon atom. Therefore, root word bute, carbon-carbon single bond N butane. The first carbon of butane contain 2 carbon eth, oxygen oxy, 1 ethoxy butane is the IUPAC name of this compound. The 2 alkyl group are different alkyl group. Therefore, it is an example of mixed ether. It is an example of mixed ether. The second compound. OCH3, number of carbon atoms starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The molecular formula is also given here. So, in the fourth carbon we have 1 chloro, first carbon 1 methoxy, this is your benzene. 4 chloro, fourth carbon chlorine. First carbon containing 1 methoxy, 1 methoxy benzene, 4 chloro, 1 methoxy benzene. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. And the 2 alkyl group attached to the ether functional group. Here 1 carbon, here 6 carbon. The alkyl groups are different. Therefore, this is also an example of mixed ether. Mixed ether, also called unsymmetrical ether. This is the third compound, C6H4CH3, OC2H5. Starting with the functional group numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First carbon 1 ethoxy, third carbon 1 methyl, 3 methyl, 1 ethoxy, parent hydrocarbon benzene, 3 methyl, 1 ethoxy benzene. The alkyl group, here ethyl, here phenyl, C6H4. Both are different alkyl group. Therefore, this compound is also an example of mixed ether. This compound is also an example of mixed ether. The compound given is here 1 isobutyl, here 1 textbutyl. But oxygen attached carbon atom should get the lowest number. Here also first carbon and here also first carbon. If the 2 carbons are same carbon, we can distinguish the carbon as 1 position, 1 dash position. 1 position of these 2 methyl is 1. Position of these 2 methyl are 1 dash. So 1, 1, 1 dash, 1 dash, tetramethyl, IUPAC name, ethoxyethane. So how to write the IUPAC name? Methyl, position of methyl 1, position of methyl 1, position, this methyl is 1 dash, position of this methyl is also 1 dash. How many methyl we have? Tetramethyl. We have to add oxygen atom. This is ethoxy. 2 carbon atom eth, single bond N ethane. 1, 1 dash, tetramethyl ethoxyethane. The alkyl group attached to the functional group are same. Therefore, this is your simple ether. This is your simple ether. CH2 double bond CH, CH, Cl, allyl chloride. OCH3, allyl chloride methyl. Here, the parent hydrocarbon containing more number, double bond should get the lowest number 1, 2, 3. This is your 3-chloropropionene. Here methoxy. So in the third carbon, one methoxy we have. In the same third carbon, one Cl. So position of chlorine is 3. 3-chloro, 3-methoxy. 3-chloro, 3-methoxy. Here 3 carbon. Prop, carbon, double bond, in position of double bond 1. Oxygen is attached to one methyl and one allyl. Different alkyl groups are attached, therefore it is an example of mixed ether, unsymmetrical ether. The next one is, the next compound given is dibenzyl ether. Benzyl C6H5CH2 O dibenzyl CH2C6H5. This is dibenzyl ether. Common name we can easily given, but a different IUPAC name for this compound. What is the name? When we give numbering, this is first carbon, this is first carbon. Methane, methane, dimethane. To one, oxygen is also attached, oxy. Now I write the IUPAC name, a different IUPAC name. The position of phenyl is first carbon, comma, 1 dash carbon. And oxy, how many methane we have? 2 methane. Therefore, dimethane, methane, dimethane. Last hydrogen atom, how many hydrogen? 2-yle, di-yle. Benzene, parent hydrocarbon, dibenzene. Dibenzene. 1, 1 dash, oxy, dimethane, di-yle. Yle indicate loss of hydrogen, di-yle, dibenzene. But this is an example of simple ether. Between oxygen atom, ether functional group, both the groups are same. So this comes under simple ether. Symmetric ether. The last compound is vinyl allyl ether. What is vinyl? CH2 double bond CH. This is vinyl. Allyl we know CH2 CH double bond CH2. This is vinyl, that one is allyl. Actually, allyl vinyl ether, that is the correct common name. The main chain is allyl group, 3 carbon atom. When we give numbering, double bond should get the lowest number, 1, 2, 3. Oxygen is added to vinyl group, vinyl oxy. In the third carbon atom, one vinyl oxy is present. Therefore, third carbon atom, 3 vinyl oxy, 3 carbon, prop, carbon double bond in position of double bond 1. Prop 1 in. It is an example of not simple ether but mixed ether. Number of carbon atom on either side of the double bonds are different. Therefore, this comes under mixed ether. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.